it possible to have a high-paying job without a college degree?
It's all coming up in today's video.
So hit that like button and let's get started.
Hello there, my name is Caleb and my goal is to teach you financially what you may have not been taught in school. I'm truly honored that you're here, and I've got my brother-in-law Elias here, who is a lineman. Also, we're both big fans of Dr. Pepper, so... You're a lineman. Tell me about how you got into that, and like, how did you even hear about it?
My older brother works for an electric company, and when I was in high school, I didn't really know what I wanted to do. And he's like, well, I can set up a job shadowing so you can at least check out what it's like being a lineman. He set it up for me, and ever since then, it's pretty much what I wanted to do.
Let's rotate these a little bit so it's more like a conversation instead. Yeah, hope you don't mind being cozy.
It's alright.
This is the fun part about having a tiny desk.
Yeah.
Why did you actually decide to pursue a career as a lineman?
I wanted to work outside, and I didn't want to go to college. Those were the two main reasons. It was a well-paying job, so...
You told me that there's like different levels of being a lineman. How did the levels break down?
Okay, as an entry level, getting hired on, it's usually about $20 an hour. As a journeyman, you top out at normally around $40 to $50 an hour, depending on where you work. So as your 4-year apprenticeship, that is when you work your way up from 20 to basically $40 to $50 an hour.
$40 an hour is just over $83,000, and $50 an hour is $104,000 for a normal number of hours.
Not even with overtime.
Yeah, not even with overtime.
The sky's the limit with overtime. Every time the power goes out, you can't. It doesn't magically come on. You have to go out and fix it. Someone is. So that's us.
How long did you say it takes to become a journeyman again?
4 years. It's 9,000 out on job hours.
So
training hours.
That's like the normal amount of time that someone takes to go to any 4-year school.
Yeah.
A lot of people come out of 4-year school with $20, $30, $50, $100,000 of student loans. What's the financial aspect of paying for, or at least getting your education as like a lineman?
So basically, my work pays for my school, and they pay me to go to school. I think I have a total of 12 classes, and it's a week-long class at a time. So 12 weeks out of 4 years.
In terms of the training aspect, it's almost entirely on-the-job training?
Yeah, mostly is on-the-job training.
Okay.
Which is nice. I like it.
Just walk us through, I guess, the trade school.
My junior and senior year, I went to a career center that offered Powerline, and they basically teach you how to climb poles and the basics of electricity and stuff like that. It's just kind of basic stuff. And then out of high school, I got the job where I am now. Because I went to the career center, it looked good on my resume, which helped me get a job in the field that I wanted.
Is there ever a negative stigma towards not having gotten a 4-year education?
A little bit.
Okay.
Very rarely, but most of the time, yeah. They're curious because a lot of people don't know about it.
Yeah.
Some people think I play football for a living and I'm a lineman for a football team, and I'm like, well, look at me. Do I look like I play football?
So, okay. Yeah, a lineman.
Yeah. But,
okay.
Yeah, a lot of people don't know about it, so
it's
fun to explain to them. So you're probably wondering what these goofy looking things that I was wearing earlier. These are my last line of defense against touching over 7,000 volts, and it doesn't kill me. So these bad boys protect me. It's not the safest job in the world, but if you wear these, they make it safe.
Did you feel like you missed out anything by not going to college?
No.
No?
No.
Not at all?
Yeah, I didn't want to go to college.
Okay.
That sounds terrible to me.
Yeah.
Before we continue on, we gotta thank our sponsor. Slow Motion.
How much cooler was that intro to this video because of all this slow motion? It just makes you want to become a lineman. Oh, man. Yeah. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that drone footage. So slow. Thank you, Slow Motion, for being our sponsor.
Thank you.
Dr. Pepper, if you ever want to sponsor us. So let's go back to the student loans aspect. There really aren't any student loans that you'll have from coming out of this, right?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, which is super nice.
Yeah. Is that pretty normal for people who become a lineman or, other trades?
Yeah, it's very common. Yeah.
Okay.
I'd say for the most part, most trades don't have to pay for their schooling.
In terms of going into this trade of, you know, being a lineman, what was something that surprised you?
Probably the thing that surprised me the most in this field was how easy it is to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my.
Hit the like button. Okay. What actually surprised you about going into this trade?
Probably just how unique the job is and how you're never doing the same thing 2 days in a row. You're doing something different each day.
Okay.
Whether it's an overhead or underground or in a vault. We do street lights. We do fiber. So you do a bunch of different things.
Okay.
And that's the thing I like the most about my job is how everything's not the same.
Were there any other trades that you really considered?
I considered welding because the career center that I went to had welding as well. And those are the two ones, but I wanted to do power line pretty much.
What's a piece of advice that you would give a high schooler or someone who's just about to jump into college? You know, that stage of life, what would you tell them?
Yeah. I would definitely say try to find a career center that has what you're looking for in your future career, because it gives going to that for 2 years really shows if you want to do it or not. Instead of making the decision and starting a job and then hating it, just talk to people that are in the career that you want to go into and try to get as much information about it and see if this is something you want to do or not. If you're anything like me and not big on going to college, there are still high-paying jobs out there for you.
So in the comments down below, I want you to answer 2 questions. 1 is, would you ever consider going to trade school? And 2, what is your favorite kind of pop? And is it pop, is it soda pop, or is it Coke in your region? Pop is the correct one.
That's true.
Okay, I was afraid that you were gonna disagree.
I say soda just to make fun of people.
Yeah,
I take a soda.
I'd like a soda.
But I call it pop.
Also hit the like button, subscribe button, and notification bell so that you can just hit the like button, subscribe button, notification bell.
And remember, money doesn't have to be confusing. You can control it.
We got 2 very restless dogs downstairs, one of which has been up here many times.
We should show them.
Oh my.
They're
just kicking the lights down and everything.
Here, pick that little rascal up.
Oh wait, come back over here.
Okay.
Well, I'm glad that was at the very end. And here's Morgan. Well, you can't say her face.
What's that thing?
Yeah, there we go. Hey there.
And these are the rascals.
Yeah.
What are you saying?
Yeah, these two rascals were real disturbing.
Yes.
Oh, you can't even see Jack.
Here he is. You can see it.
Okay. Well, that was an entertaining end to our video.
That was good.
Yep.
Okay. Good job.
All right.